Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Webull for beginners. First, download the Webull app and complete the account opening process. You will need to provide personal information and link a bank account. Once your account is approved, you can deposit funds and start exploring investment options. Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, making it accessible for new investors. After your account is set up, the next step is funding it. You can link your bank account for convenient deposits and withdrawals. Webull supports ACH transfers, wire transfers, and ACATS for transferring existing brokerage accounts. Once funds are available, navigate to the Markets tab to search for a stock or ETF. Enter the ticker symbol, review the details, and place your first trade. Webull provides a wide range of investment options beyond just stocks and ETFs. You can also explore options, trading, and even cryptocurrencies directly within the platform. Take advantage of Webull's robust research tools, including analyst ratings, financial statements, and news feeds, to make informed decisions. Don't forget to set up watch lists to keep an eye on potential investments. For those looking to refine their skills, Webull offers a paper trading feature, allowing you to practice strategies without risking real capital. You can also dive into advanced charting tools and a variety of technical indicators to analyze market trends more deeply. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. This helps keep your car fresh while you focus on your investments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.